Artificial intelligence is not just getting smarter, it is getting faster, and that speed may quietly become one of the most powerful economic forces of this decade. Across industries, companies are beginning to understand that AI doesn't replace jobs in one dramatic move the way machines once replaced factory workers. Instead, it replaces tasks, and it does them at a speed no human team can match. Work that once took hours now takes minutes. Projects that once required days of coordination can now be planned in seconds. Reports, research summaries, marketing drafts, coding tasks, financial analysis, even legal documents can be generated almost instantly. The real story is not that AI is working instead of humans, but that it is completing in seconds what once took entire teams days or even weeks to finish. That means the speed of AI is not measured in how fast it types or calculates, but in how fast it reduces the need for human effort inside everyday workflows. Imagine a team of 10 analysts who used to spend an entire week preparing a business report. Now one analyst using AI tools can prepare a similar report in less than a day. Nothing dramatic happens overnight. No layoffs are announced. But the company suddenly realizes it doesn't need to hire as many analysts next quarter. Hiring slows down. Entry-level roles disappear. Promotion pipelines shrink. Over time, fewer juniors means fewer seniors later. The impact begins quietly at the hiring stage, not at the firing stage. This is where the true speed of artificial intelligence becomes dangerous and fascinating at the same time. In the past, automation mainly targeted physical labor. Robots replaced repetitive movement on factory floors. Software replaced paperwork in offices. But modern AI targets thinking time. It targets planning, communication, writing, analysis, scheduling, and decision-making. These are the invisible tasks that keep entire organizations running. By accelerating these mental processes, AI is compressing time itself inside companies. Meetings become shorter. Research becomes faster. Customer support responses become immediate. Product development cycles shrink. Entire departments begin to operate at a pace that would have been impossible just a few years ago. And when work begins to move at machine speed, the structure of the workforce begins to change. Many entry-level jobs exist because companies need people to handle simple tasks while they learn the more complex ones. Junior programmers debug small errors. Interns prepare data. Assistants draft emails and organize schedules. Paralegals summarize documents. Marketing assistants write first drafts of campaigns. But when AI can handle these beginner tasks instantly, the training ground for future professionals begins to disappear. Companies may still need experienced experts, but the ladder that people climb to become those experts slowly starts losing its bottom steps. This creates a new kind of economic shift that is difficult to detect in real time. Instead of seeing millions of jobs vanish suddenly, the labor market may slowly stop growing in certain areas. Fewer graduates are hired. Fewer internships are offered. Fewer entry-level roles are created. Businesses become more productive without expanding their teams. A single worker using advanced AI systems can now produce the output that once required several people working together. Over time, this could reshape entire industries without a single dramatic announcement. What makes this moment even more significant is that artificial intelligence is not limited to one sector. Manufacturing robots affected factories. Accounting software affected finance departments. But AI is a general-purpose technology. It can assist in writing, design, engineering, research, management, logistics, and customer service all at once. This means multiple industries can begin accelerating simultaneously. Decision-making becomes faster. Communication delays disappear. Strategic planning can be generated in minutes rather than weeks. So the question is no longer whether AI can do human work. The question is how quickly human organizations can adapt to work that now moves at digital speed. Because as artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the gap between human time and machine time may become the most important divide shaping the future of employment, productivity, and economic power. Do you think AI will create more new opportunities than the entry-level jobs it replaces, or are we slowly losing the first step of the career ladder without realizing it? Write the answer down in the comments section below. Like and subscribe to not miss similar AI content. Then watch the next video in front of you. See you there.